Today I'm going to be talking about my thoughts lately because they have changed. My plans for my future have changed drastically. I realized that I have to, it's a necessity. I have some money spared. I'm planning on somehow investing it. I do not have a choice. I've been going insane. Today I just woke up and peace was never an option in the place I am right now in my life. It is not acceptable. If I turn 19 without having had some experience with money and investing, if I go to university, which is pretty expensive, without even knowing what money is, I will die. That's just not an option. That's the same as suicide. I have to do this. I've really been going insane lately. And even if I don't get rich by the time I'm 19, I want to have at least some experience when it comes to money. I'm going to save money. I can work, invest that money, make more money. I need money. I want my family to come home. They work in a different country with a different native language, with basically no one that they know, sacrificing their life years and years for money. Sure, we have a nice BMW. From the outside, it looks nice. We have a nice house. But guess what? We're in debt. I'm not blaming my parents for this at all. I support what they're doing. You need to do something for money. But I want to get the money to make them come home. Now, I have set out my goal to be by the time that I'm 20. I want to be rich. And once I hit the 10,000 euros per month, I will call myself rich. That is okay. It is his big expectations, but I really want to put in my whole life essence, my soul into all of this. My plan right now, and I've been doing this for, as of right now, for an hour, but I've just been going insane and more insane. I just can't think about anything else because I do not have the money. My family is outside. I can't see my family because I am a failure, because I have no money. But that's the thing. I'm not disappointed yet. If I would be 25 and I've worked 7 years without achieving anything, that is okay. Then at that point, I would definitely be disappointed. Let's not even speak about 30, 35, or 40 years old and not having achieved money, financial freedom. I have to do this. I do not have a choice. This is a must, and not just for motivation. I'm not motivating myself. I'm putting myself into this. Motivation or not, I'm going to try to get motivation, sure, but it's not even about discipline at this point. I have to do this. The eagle is an interesting bird that's very similar to men. And once the eagle reaches age 40, it will have to do a hard decision. It will have to make a hard decision. And that decision would be to die or go up to the mountains, puck the rocks until their whole puck comes off because it's aging, it's curling down, and they can't catch prey. They have to puck their whole puck off until it's like completely off, and then it regrows, and then it's not curled because it's not old. And then they have to puck out their feathers one by one, no matter how much blood they see off their wings and everything, because they're too heavy. And once they've done that, they famously get off the mountain and soar back the skies, back home, reborn. Kind of like Berserk. That might be a Berserk reference. I, ch- I see the same situation in my own life. Will I let my parents sacrifice their life? I can't not do this. I don't see that as an option. I want my family home. And I don't want them to sell the house, sell the car, and come home and living the same life we lived before they went out. Being poor and average, I it's not my family's fault. And if they decide to do that, I am fine with that. But I will definitely set out to bring them happy, to buy my dad his dream car, to buy my mother a beautiful house. If they need, if they divorce or life gets in the way, I will buy them two separate nice houses, whatever they want. I need this to show my brother the way to life, to put some life in him. Bring back life in my family and friends, in my life. It's okay to be on self-development. The past 2 years I've been on self-improvement has only been amateur training. I did that for the better sake, but I'm not doing the better sake now for optimistic views. I need this. I have no other choice. I'm actually going insane. My eyes are opening more and more. I'm just walking around the room, circles and circles, and it's not a choice. I don't see it as a choice, at least. I will try my hardest. It's time to act on my dreams. I'm only going to document my journey. I'm not going to base my journey off of how much success I have on YouTube. I'm not getting any views, no subscribers. Maybe it's because my videos suck. But I'm going to document it to you guys. I want you guys to see this. Even if it's just one or two of you. If I can change only one or two lives, that's already pretty substantial. So bear with me on this journey of mine. It's time to grind. Peace.